Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off 4 different magnification shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. In here, go down and tap on visibility enhancements. Then swipe up to go down and tap on magnification. Then tap on the left hand side. Next, in here you have tap accessibility button. So this is the first shortcut, and by default it is turned on if you turn on magnification shortcut. And the next one, so here you got the press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds, which you can also turn on or off. So here if I press and hold on the volume up and down keys for 3 seconds, these 2 keys right here, you can see this will allow me to turn on magnifications, or I can press and hold, and this will allow me to switch it off. Now another option is to use the side and volume up key, so I can press on that, and I can press on the side and volume up key, and this will allow me to turn on or off. Right, because it's without pressing it, it gives me this menu, is because this settings is also shared with extra dim. So in here I have turn on extra dim. So if I go into here and turn off extra dim shortcut, so I turn off the extra dim shortcut. If I go back into magnifications, and if I go into this shortcut here, now if I press on it, you can see it will immediately allow me to go into the zoom mode. And the last one is the triple tap screen shortcut. So I can triple tap on the screen, and this will allow me to turn on zoom. Or I can triple tap to switch it off. I can expand the whole screen, or I can zoom back in. And that's it. So those are the 4 different ways how you can turn on or turn off magnification on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.